For veg Shammi kebabs we need 250 grams of soaked chana dal or split gram lentils, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon zeera, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon saunf and half teaspoon chilli powder. 1 medium-sized potato peeled and cut into 4 pieces. 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon garam masala powder and 1 piece of coal which will be used towards the end of the recipe. 1 medium-sized onion chopped finely, 2 teaspoons of hara dhania or coriander, 4 green chillies chopped finely and 1 lemon. Take a pressure cooker and add your soaked chana dal or split gram lentils to it. Add the potato. Add the salt, the chilli powder, the saunf, the bay leaves and the zeera to it. Now add the ginger garlic paste and 1 cup of water. Put the pressure cooker lid on and cook this on high flame for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Now switch off the flame and let it cool down a little. As you can see, there is no water left and the dal and the potatoes have been cooked properly. We let it cool down for 20 minutes and now we will grind the mixture for the Shammi kebabs. Now that the mixture has been ground properly, we will transfer it to another bowl. It's time to prepare the coal now. Place the coal on the burner and let it burn red. I have taken a little amount of pure ghee or desi ghee to drip it on the coal once the coal burns. Now place the burning coal in the middle of the mince, drip the desi ghee on it, blow the flame and cover it properly so that no smoke escapes. The smoke from the coal will add an amazing aroma of the tandoor to the kebabs. Leave it like this for another 30 minutes. Now remove the coal from the mince and add the garam masala to it. Remember to remove the seeds of the lemon before squeezing it into the mince and then mix well. Now that everything has been mixed properly, we can also check the salt of the mince. The salt tastes fine to me and now I will add the chopped onions, coriander and the green chillies. And mix well. Now take a little bit of water and put it on the palm of your hand to make tikkis out of the mince. The water prevents the mince from sticking to your hand and you can roll the mince into your desired form. With 250 grams of dal, you can make 12 to 15 kebabs. For now, I am just making 4 and I will store the rest of the mince for later usage. Now we will take a non-stick pan and shallow fry the kebabs on medium flame. The kebabs will turn out to be very soft. I have flipped the kebabs very carefully now. Now that the kebabs are ready, we will transfer them to a plate and serve them with onions and lemon. Our soft vegetarian Shammi kebabs are ready now. Hope you enjoy them. Please like and subscribe.